Welcome to Molly's kitchen. It's my mom's kitchen. I'm going to show you how to prepare simple and tasty chocolate cake. It's my favorite. I have learned this recipe from my mom. Let's start. Take a bowl. Add 1 egg. Add 6 spoons of butter. Add 75 grams of maida. Add 40 grams of sugar powder. Add 2 spoons of cocoa powder. Half spoon of baking powder. Pinch of baking soda. Pinch of salt. 1 spoon of vanilla essence. Half glass of milk. Mix it well. Keep it aside. Now take another bowl. Apply butter. Now add cake mix. Now keep it in oven for 4 to 5 minutes in medium. Now tasty chocolate cake is ready. Take it into a plate.